It is Wednesday, December 7th, and I no longer need this flashlight. Praise God. The power came on today around, I don't know, 12 o'clock, and we were cheering in the store. It was amazing. For all of you who may not have heard, we lost power on Saturday evening, and someone sabotaged two of our substations, and the entire county of Moore was out of power Saturday night from then until this afternoon, pretty much everybody. Although there was a rolling interim where they did reconnect people, and we are fortunate enough to have a house a little farther out in the county at the lake, and it was a gift. We were able to have power on Sunday night at the house, but nowhere else. So downtown Southern Pines has been like a ghost town. And you know, when you're in Christmas and you're in retail and you want things to be cooking right along, and you've got all these plans and you got the happy holidays coming up, and you're like, what? And you just have to screeching halt. Everybody stayed home. We regrouped. My son hooked up a generator. I was able, we hooked that up on Monday. Tuesday, we were open for social knitting, and I had 7 diehard people come in here, which was awesome, and made a few sales. Then today, we opened up again with the generator, and then by 12 o'clock, it was like, boom. It was like, oh, manna from heaven. So lovely. Anyway, so I haven't seen you for several days, and, you know, God never gives you more than you need to handle. So I hope we're all handling it with grace. I feel for every single business here, all the food and all the freezers, all the restaurants. It's unbelievable the economic impact that this random destructive act had. Sad, even in our little Moore County of North Carolina. So I'm sure you've seen us on the national news. Not a good way to get there. All right, enough of that. Let's talk about happy holidays. It should have started on Monday. We were going to send an email out Sunday telling you all about it. That email is coming out tonight. Okay? So pay attention. You might already have it. Then tomorrow morning, I think every morning at 5 in the morning, you'll be getting what is being offered that day. So tomorrow we are Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. We are 4 days behind. So tomorrow we will be offering day 1, day 2, day 3, and day 4, all on the same day, all for 10% off. And they will be the Cocoa Knits Maker's Board, the Chowgoo Shorty Set, the Kookaburra Wool Wash, and the Flight of Cocoa Knits stitch markers. Everything will be 10% off if purchased tomorrow. Those first 4 items, right? Every single day that comes along, you will be able to click the button that says purchase all. Everything for $300, which is probably the greatest way to go. Your little calendar says what's coming up on every day, so you'll know ahead of time what's coming up. So if you don't want everything, you can just buy the certain things that you want, and then when it's all over, come and pick them up in store, or we will mail them to you for $10. So there'll be no shipping if you're going to buy little pieces hither and yon. There'll be no shipping until the very end, and then there'll be a $10 charge for shipping if that's what you need done. Read all of the instructions. There are a lot of them. Read, read all of the instructions so you're going to know how to navigate this supposedly fun project. Excuse me. I apologize. All right. So tonight, tomorrow morning, you can buy the Cocoa Knits Maker's Board. You can buy the Chowgoo Twist Shorties Blue Set. You can buy the Kookaburra Wool Wash and the Cocoa Knits Flight of Stitch Markers. Each one will be 10% off the original price. However, every single day, right tomorrow morning, you can hit the total package for $300, get all 12 gifts, and that is more than a 30% discount. You will not only get that, you will get a full card, a rewards card, that's $25, that's 10 squares, plus another card with 2 squares started. So you're automatically getting a $25 gift card the next time you shop with us, and you're going to get a $30 bounce back for January, to be spent in January. So it seems to me that to buy the whole package is the way to go. So don't let me twist your arm, but I'm thinking it's the way to go. Anyway, I just am trying to explain to you. I'm sorry we're 4 days into it by tomorrow, but pay attention, read all the directions. If you have any questions, call us. Our phone is now working. Our internet's working. Oh, we're back in business. Praise God. So call us 910-692-3528, and we will answer all of your questions. But it is all available online. Okay? Ah, so nice to be back. I missed you. But we survived. You know, it's... sometimes difficulty is the mother of invention, right? We all figured out how we could get through this. Lots of cold showers, lots of, I don't know, driving miles and miles and miles to get gas. When the whole county doesn't have power, you can't get gas. I mean, you don't think about all the things you can't do. Anyway, every stoplight was out. So there was every stoplight then was a 4-way stop. When you've got 6 or 8 lanes of traffic and you're all taking turns, and there was a lot of give and take. So anyway, whoever was responsible for this did not thwart all of us. It cost us a little bit, but we have survived. All right. Thank you so much for supporting Bella Filati. I'll see you tomorrow.